If you love learning about the numbers behind awesome businesses and products, you're in the right place. Every day we make fun and addicting business videos. Today we're going to talk about top-selling garden products you haven't heard of using monthly sales data. Number 1. KATCHY Indoor Insect Trap. This product sold about 10,700 units and earned an estimated revenue of about $426,000. This amazing device uses UV light to attract fruit flies or other insects. The fan sucks them in and they get trapped by the sticky board. It's a stylish-looking piece that can be placed anywhere around the house and it would not ruin the setting. Number 2. Wekapo Inflatable Lounger Air Sofa. This product sold about 4,400 units with an estimated revenue of about $170,000. This inflatable sofa is very practical and easy to use. It doesn't take much space and it can be carried around anywhere. It comes in various designs and unique colors. It can be inflated by just opening the sleeve and trapping air inside. Number 3. Solatec Solar Fountain. This product sold 4,300 units with an estimated revenue of about $51,000. This solar fountain is a more ecologic way to keep your gardens watered. It features different spraying styles and it also works as a decorative fountain for birds to wash and drink. Number 4. Go Sports Classic Cornhole Set. This product sold about 4,000 units with an estimated revenue of $240,000. A classic game board designed to look like the American flag painted on a wooden cornhole board. It includes 8 red and blue beanbags and a cover to carry it around easily. Number 5. RamPro Hide-A-Spare Key Fake Rock. This product sold about 3,400 units with a revenue of about $24,000. A funny and creative product that can be used as a key hiding spot for those who keep forgetting their keys. You can deposit the keys inside the rocky-shaped container and put it somewhere near the door in a discreet way. Number 6. Set of 4 Tikki Torch. This product sold about 2,700 units with an estimated revenue of about $135,000. Torches to make your garden look warmer and more welcoming. It's a pack of 4 brown torches, easy to set and recharge oil by filling it with a funnel. Number 7. LEVOIT Himalayan Salt Lamp. This product sold about 2,600 units with an estimated revenue of about $53,000. A unique and beautiful lamp that decorates spaces in a simple way. It includes a switch that can adjust brightness and 2 extra bulbs. Number 8. Window Bird Feeder. This product sold about 2,200 units with an estimated revenue of $56,000. This bird feeder is an easy and convenient item for bird lovers. Made from a transparent acrylic so you can study the beautiful markings of each bird. It has a line feeder to attract birds, easy to install and clean. Number 9. Union 63182 Elephant Watering Can. This product sold about 2,100 units with an estimated revenue of $17,000. This elephant-shaped watering can is a fun way to water your plants, and even kids can use it safely. It is made out of a weather-resistant plastic. The long trunk is convenient to get to those difficult spots in your plants. Number 10. LED Flashlight Gloves. This product sold about 1,600 units with an estimated revenue of about $21,000. These flashlight gloves are pretty useful for those moments when you need an extra hand to do car work or look into tiny places. They are made out of cotton, breathable, and stretchy. Click the link to our playlist to watch more of these. Make sure to subscribe for more.